The pros and cons of data modeling for your business. Data-driven business models have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer a range of advantages over traditional models. By leveraging data to inform decisions, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and trends, making more informed decisions and optimizing their operations. However, building a data-driven business model also has some potential drawbacks. Pros of data-driven business models. 1. Increased efficiency. Businesses can make decisions quickly and accurately by leveraging data, which can help them save time and resources and increase efficiency in their operations. 2. Improved decision-making. Data-driven business models allow businesses to make more informed decisions based on facts and evidence rather than guesswork or intuition. This can lead to better outcomes and improved performance. 3. Enhanced customer experience. Data-driven business models enable businesses to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and needs that can be used to create more personalized experiences for customers. 4. Competitive advantage. By leveraging data, businesses can stay ahead of the competition by understanding market trends and staying up to date with the latest industry developments. Cons of data-driven business models. 1. Costly investment. Implementing a data-driven business model requires a significant investment in technology, infrastructure, and personnel training, which may not be feasible for some companies depending on their size or budget constraints. 2. Security risks. Collecting enormous amounts of data also poses security risks, as sensitive information is vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. 3. Data overload. Collecting too much data can lead to information overload, making it difficult for businesses to make sense of the data and draw meaningful insights from it. 4. Ethical concerns. Data-driven business models can also raise ethical concerns, as companies may be collecting and using customer data without their knowledge or consent. It ensures that your data-driven business model is successful. It's essential to take the necessary steps to protect customer data, stay up to date on industry trends, and continually refine and update your model. Additionally, it's essential to know the potential risks and ethical concerns associated with data-driven business models. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your model can maximize the value of your data and remain competitive in the marketplace.